Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another discontinued Wenger Swiss Army knife, and this one is the Wenger Air Traveler. And this is a 65mm Swiss Army knife without any of the evil bits that the TSA doesn't like. No blade for air travel. Let's take a look and see. So, it's got a micro screwdriver, scissors, nail file, nail cleaner, tweezers. No toothpick? Oops. I keep banging the... That's interesting. So it doesn't mention the toothpick. Alright, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Alright. It's kind of a nifty little Wenger. So, you got the usual Wenger scissors, and these being different from the Victorinox versions in that the small Victorinox versions have the spring. Well, this one has the little arm, so you got that. And on the other side, you have the nail file. This is the nail file. I'm assuming that's what they consider the nail cleaner. This got flattened out in the Victorinox knives and became a little screwdriver. And then you have the small, like, micro screwdriver. The teeny tiny screwdriver. Tell you what's kind of unfortunate about this. The thinness of this particular screwdriver, it seems like it's too easy to tweak it or to bend the end. I don't think there's really a tool that directly corresponds to this, because the Victorinox knives use the micro screwdriver that screws into the corkscrew. Now, well, you can see it on this one actually. You can see the, I can get it out. You can see the, wow, I can't get it out. Here we go. You can see the nail file for the Victorinox knives. The later ones have the little screwdriver at the end, as opposed to the Wenger ones that have the pointy nail cleaner end. It's kind of interesting. It's kind of a neat little knife, I guess, but I don't know. It's one of those things that it's not. I don't know. I think I'd rather have like the Jet Setter. But anyway, still sort of a nifty little knife. And, oh, and comparison size-wise, you have the 65 versus 58mm. The Wenger being the 65. Anyway, kind of unfortunate, the whole TSA air travel thing, but still, got us a couple extra knives. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you can think of anything you'd like me to take a look at, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.